Welcome to our channel where today we dive deep into logging into your WooCommerce admin account with ease and confidence. If you've just set up your WooCommerce store, logging into your admin account is the first crucial step to managing your online shop efficiently. Let's walk through every detail to make this process effortless. First, open your web browser and enter your website's URL directly followed by /wpadmin at the end. This is the standard way to access the WordPress admin login page, which WooCommerce uses as its backend. Once the login page appears, you'll see two fields, one for your username or email address and another for your password. Enter the credentials you set up during your WooCommerce or WordPress installation. If you cannot remember your login details, click on the Lost Your Password link to initiate a reset process. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If all the information is correct, you will be redirected to your WooCommerce dashboard where you can manage orders, products, customers, and settings. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication within your profile settings to protect your admin account from unauthorized access. Remember that keeping your login information private and secure is vital to safeguarding your online store. If you experience any issues logging in, check that your internet connection is stable and that your browser is up to date. Clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser can also resolve common login problems. Following these steps will ensure you can access your WooCommerce admin panel quickly and start managing your online business efficiently. Don't let login troubles stop your progress. Now you know exactly what to do every step of the way.